Welcome back to our Master JavaScript course. In this video, we will dive deep into one of the fundamental concepts in JavaScript, the for loop. The for loop is a powerful tool that allows us to iterate over a block of code multiple times. It consists of three components: initialization, condition, and an increment. Let's see how it works. In this example, we initialize a variable I and set it to 0. The condition I less than 5 specifies the limit of the for loop. As long as the condition is true, the loop will be continue executing. After each iteration, the increment I++ increase the value of the variable I by 1. Inside the loop, we can perform any desired operation, such as printing values, manipulating data, or executing specific tasks. The loop will repeat the code blocks until the condition becomes false. This code creates an array of numbers. It then initializes an empty array called multiplied numbers. Using a for loop, it iterates over each item in the numbers array and multiplies it by 2. The multiplied numbers are pushed into the multiplied numbers array. Finally, the multiplied numbers array is logged to the console. Feel free to see our Master JavaScript video playlist. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.